To DJ's Pristine Sports, we've just acquired this lovely Nissan Qashqai. It's got front park distance control, does have a lot of specification. The wheels are going to be refurbed, it's literally just arrived, so they'll be unmarked. You've got privacy glass to the rear park distance control. It's in lovely condition, as you can see. It's just going to be serviced, just going to be MOT'd. Boot area is in lovely condition. The full leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, panoramic roof. Start the car up. It's on 106 miles. It's got satellite navigation, 360 camera with parking sensors, 6-speed gearbox, heated seats, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel. Really is fully loaded, Tekna model. DJH got full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.